Ebusham for aha Ghana 7 TV GH. Message or like a comment, subscribe it and no notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusham for Seshri farmers. Omusi. She asema ewo why kasa cocoa price no. Omu haircut no. Enye se agro sem no mudi o debi. Enti Thursday, 2 days from now no. They are going to hit the street and protest. Amusi, last week, Minister of Agriculture IFN Eric Opoku, asema obeka okaye wo parliament ho ebra media for bi konin chen no. Eyen kotum punin tronkwa. Mi twi about. Se mi tibeka twi nyina ka se kotumpu. It was a mumpo sema me say me sure say over 80% of our viewers, we are come from good evening. So when I speak your language and I'm doing your kindly clap for me, write in the comment section. Good one. The voice for a reason and all those ones. Now, Momo is one to answer Momo. Now let's continue. Okay. So the farmers are not happy. They said this morning when Randia Bebeka said, oh, he's removing 20% or so from his salary and all. Almost say farmers no say. Even if Randy Abe removes 90% from his salary, they are not convinced. Because per what we know, per sources, we are hearing that Randy Abe on his salary, allowances and everything combined at the end of the month is around 90,000 Ghana cedis. Every month, Randy Abe and his salary over 90,000 Ghana cedis, almost a couple 10,000 now, 1 billion old currency. And when you tell the farmer, say, oh, you 20% free swag, nothing. You will not even feel it. And the farmers will see. And yes, 419 settings are low, because under Mahama 1.0, Muna will say, Mu yi Skabi, and they see the chips compound. By the time we realize you people went behind us and went to take your monies back. And this is one who and you'll be untrusty. Don't want trust an NDC person. If an NDC person comes to tell you, say, it's raining outside, please start washing your things. This is shiny. The sun is up, it's hot. So this is what we have had to deal with. And Ebushamfo, I can tell you, say, these people are serious about their demands. It is what is either you maintain the price in 3,100 or the 3,600 you promise them. Any other thing, the farmers are not falling for it. So let's go listen to these farmers. I'll see in the next one.
Kwame, where they say, go school mathematics near Nyadi. And Kwame, 3,100, any 2,500. They're in the mood.
Oh, sir.
I couldn't wait there, Kwame. Now we hear rocket scientists. Kwame, where they say, we are no Ricopocuno, Uncle Gina, that dear swaba. Non Cassandra Quafo. So Wakukudra. Onkonko jina da dia so aba and now parliament obusa nkoko asemasen yon hwekoko so and then yon hwekoko so na we wo kan wen onko jina da dia so aba ba bi oboabo akuafo anu ka kire om se obema om 6,000 minimum no onko jina hwa no kan kire om se 2,500 no emu odu sene 3,100 onko jina onka san kire wo Kwame we there na you see yenko your friend saying panifo buben saying yenko agina san ye bua na
yenko agina san ye bua
yenko agina san ye bua na tey obi ma 3,100 no obi so ma 2,500 no say the same currency o nya say be a dollar and be a safer na nyina ye cedi no say we ma 3,100 or see on only the 2,500 no emu odusene 3,100 but you can we one room
but be honorable you say circumstances are be or be a cost of living say be any dollar above from any be a petrol above from be a
Kwame say o man ye nyina na yatim o man ye nyina na yatim na no hu statistical service o mo data o mo de ba ye no me nso hu o mo report na almost nipa Ghana for you have bia gina ho a emu 38% and na omode kom ne koda na na do brenso na 35 ya ko yo mo report so ho agric omonya hwe omonya bibia nyankopon ada Roma any food import whether na ye any food import your food import bill nko na ye over 3 billion Busan say fertilizer say no distribute to ye. Busan say seed certified seed say no distribute to ye. Na now do dia kakra oja na no apɛ na omutimi distribute to ye. Omantimi antobi. Omantimi antobi follow me wem dia back omanto 1 liter kra 1 liter o 1 liter kra omanto. Na now do dia kakra oja na omu distribute to ye. Nti dia no why farm service center oka say obeye Busan say centers 50 no on church of centers no kra be e wokeke. So, and this will be no catch say 2,587 and more dressing 3,100. Why me so we there? You can't work room. Uncle Jana, dear so about no cassa semono. So, Nayana ya. So, I saw Nayana Kana as ye candidate grow. On my way, cocoa industry no be guno. Sadi regulation now with the ban what be paying. Sa adoma si cocoa farmer ne form adoma no kosra na ya to ne cocoa mu etiba farmer na ya tin cocoa so what be paying we be paying or the side regulation ba wo dey na me no kan bonede to the cocoa industry will collapse. It will collapse. Oh, ade ma farmers ahoto so ya da bia obia person koye cocoa ne say you guaranteed price. So na kwame ansa na obe ka say one farm gate price no for the season no na wonim revenue eba o kiti ni mu. So yeah, we producer price review committee. The producer price review committee no omo nkotena se akeke na ye moye tiri mu say ye be ma akuafo say ye be ma license buying company omo margin say transportation cost be say disinfestation be say staff cost be say ye be we say ye nka kwa. Ese wo the information be ma producer price review committee no enti wonim revenue wo benya for the year enti we na fixing for the season and yet daily sales say and then cocoa no meton menya sen ochina menya sen ye the fixed price yenya no sa so da bia cocoa no sa na ye na enti na yenti cocoa bo no so da no because once you know what is coming into the kitty unya confidence unya comfort etimi decide say margins am de be ma obia no metimi anya e de ama na ko ba ne say no aka say and 2,500 eson say 3,100 ba me we de on konsan kon wo mra biom na san komo we kra de ontimi kra na akuafo ni ya wada won ko serious no ko demonstration akuafo no be
ya wada
echim ko ya wo ene bra echim ko ya wo onko we
na honorable
yes sir
ne aban echire mu no say ansa na mo be free ho no na je koko ho no kra no mase ho san say
kwame san ko mo ya ma wo munni sa omo don hu say san kwame wo betia wo be kaya omo di free January o so samra na ye ka say omo tu koko mo no san ko mo we ni omo di ya ne ya say ho no ne sen ni ase hono ne se baby ana ne manager ewo wasesa ho de ho aye dan ne ho ko hwe renovation awaye ho that tax e woni fie watutu ni nyina ya se hono no ya se hono ne wato Land Cruisers ahodo ya se hono no ya se hono no pe hono de oje no ya se hono no ba me mo nkasa na cocoa board obi ani ho a oba ya wabeto clean slate da aban bia meto clean slate da ya ba e na kan bi wo ho cocoa board na kan bi wo ho na kua ni de ono wo fasade e kura ho ben sankomo we say ya de for the kua for kura cocoa board can they say when they were leaving office in 2017 they left a clean slate. Is that what they are saying? Parliament anya no kresa so tamwa nanado baye no makoje a syndicated loan 1.8 billion. So the projections and Combato cocoa 850,000 metric tons. No more to 600 per 330 or so thousand metric tons. Nanado toyano or confess can wahene. So and ya more monkey can answer no cry. Ya more monkey can cry. I can't dear say me can say Nanado buy one Fabian can one na me didn't throw. But in your car Nanado nkwane be boy. And ya more monkey can answer no cry. Na no mutia for January. No mutu omuka February, no mutu omuka March, no mutu omuka besi October no. Na sa aka ne ni ho. Anytime bia omu benya challenge bia no, no makofa sanko mo yaba. Omu nyai no omu fanko mo from ra. and then the affair ya bo muja and then me so hu circular na say omo pay omo so ati omo dey so 20% ni 10%. Now what you afford dey so close to 30%. What dey the other na what 10% in 20% pay. And also no for the season. Are you saying say season way and there we be restore omo to omo original status na friends and Randian be send you on the cocoa akuafo die no enye so I say adwuma na so sen no a say be on fan to no more people from Ramefa na send you ho ye ne de obegu cocoa industry no and the cocoa farmer per bottle e de cocoa kura aguma wonya bi fertilizer bags no de cocoa gumu
yes no mo na mkoso sa
yeah e de na me che say we eno ne say kwame ye ko so ne say trem
yes mokoto bi kwade ko go warehouse bi ewie na we can account for it na bank cry hwe wo hunu
and they say bottle short one na omo mayen hu so bottle short one omo mayen hu so omo say bottle no na atwa cocoa bottle na omo say atwa che say the next bear 20 years kura ye nto biem san komo na am de meti yo they say short one omo mayen hu na cocoa bottle e pro so obi ato bi kura gu wa ma wa e pro Oba papa sit down bebre ma wa say papa and then was see do so dodo na wa boka egu aja pade odija ode de won kai pa me nsem na won kan ensisi so so omuntu akuafo ne ka omuntu won mo kan omuntu omo kan omo nya ne omo kan na ne omo kan de pa me ensisi so omuntu akuafo ani ne ye kura akua adwuma no ye o emu den pa nya adwuma da fom anya adwuma da fom kra to ya akuafo sa ya na ye me ya so me kua no me ma ye bi ma me ankasa ma ye bi sa enti me nim sane etie me papa no ye ma me no ye bi me nua ma no nyina ye bi enne me yire wan yokro benya district best farmer obi ansa guneti adan ebi nsi da se koko ebo pa ye ba mete so penti ni panye nsem da
minim wona wo kasa wo ye koko farmer na wo yire kwa asa yibi problem na ye tikro wa ye hu no sa netie e wo ho amanfo kasa ebinim e bobna ebinim kwa ase omakoje bosia
kwame ana me kasa asem na ase ya na ye candidate ago
bia ya ye wokrum no
ye wokrum no so ba kwame wo ko akurase pa na ko ho a be the boy bi wi am ye friend Yusuf Ibrahim. But the number bemo sabi o yarfo owo ayi apa denchira also odun kwa no frame me ne nhia dade so na frame also at 23 packs o ye bubu afo so na sabi ni o de be trade kra no ne ma me so bra yare e den ebinom yire dam ewo mpaso so ebinom ma me nom da owo mpaso ska on de be to ene ye me say me no pressure dro so no pressure dro na sabi se ayi ada me rebe fi me ho kra ma no bia ne me ho be ye me nye bi nie so na obi a no pressure dro onya sika nkoto ne pressure dro kwa me between November and now no akuafo afamu awu no you never wonim ohunu so enya sam ketwa kra obi wo ha o te 5 bags per the whole year 5 bags per and what they was spread it throughout the year nyina what the share
issues will be resolved.
No, that's it.
The farmers should hold their cool. We are going to work to resolve the issue. Manka kutukasem no.
That's it. Onim. I'm making it emphatically. But say the entire NDC 2028 election is because one, it say yes, say. Open scholarship I am in. Open scholarship. Just okura 1 billion. This is can as scholarship.
Yes.
Okay.
On
that don't hear. We are some training. What is some catching me? Yes, sir. That's what it. What is it? One go what it. One what it. Am I present to crati? Not present. See you going to. I want it. What want to be? I don't hear. Okay. We are going to the but so what it? And I want to say open scholarship. I just scholarship.
Presidency and
that means what I don't know.
Yes,
okay. Perfect. That means Obinaka. Maybe I'm the president that to question the background. That's it. Last time when I'm communicating me, when I come communication, I know how to talk. Some can say they don't lose. They say More, yeah, say yeah, scholarship. Just a 1 billion as well as scholarship. That's it. Onim, Roger T. Hey, Oyobia, he's hypocrite. Hey, Unipa on, say, Okasem. Now say at the end of the day, no, as no kind, no, a corny different way, Obama apologize. I'm a phone say yes. The people know that you are credible. But last week, before the election, what can I say? I buy a wakoti, Kuntimba, and a wakobono hono. What can I million view? After the no better now say, ever can say, and a peaceful lesson in IGP because he deployed and then including ending by ending say, NDC. And I'm NDC something MPP about to continue a peaceful. Really? Hey, what the airport will be a month with here. But what I want you to understand is NPP delegates, the entire executive national, including the election committee. No. To be frank, we give them the credit and everything. And a peace pack now, okay, I say IGP, I recommend that peace pack. It wasn't the IGP. It was a party within the party. And of course, Edwin said, because of what is happening, let's sign a peace pact so that at the end of the day, all of us will come together. So please, Ubetranma, and me chantro. May I always tell you that if you meet me, speak with fact. Don't come and do jandam. Now, Dachi, only baby. About this particular issue, about the cocoa. You see, Sir Udi and Kontompo edge to me. At the end of the day, your performance will expose you. That's how this word is. And when it comes to managing a state, a very, multidimensional way of approaching it. But when you come to power, and then you are thinking you want to just do something for people to hail you, or just hail you, at the end of the day, you get the praises. But the economy and the certain things will basically tell the people that now you are not fit for the office. That's it. Only my mom boy it say ufie manage salary awoje na bobusia na de be count now de hwe oma ni wabusia and they run a business. That's a mambo here. And therefore when you are managing an economy, you have to look different dimensions. Now, and I'm saying this coming in a political aspect. When it comes to cocoa farmers and our cocoa board, abra MPP yawa maso. There wasn't any a period that you got to go for cocoa. You got to buy any scagoto cocoa. No. We are now and now off the case, and then
so let me
off the case and
many fifi boy focus. And he has said, yes, there are times that omudi cocoa for but I check and able to me back.
Bosom can do that, but only that off the case. What can you na brofu? Ye kakoko Ghana hasia. Ye Ghana buying, and now all that sole authority to buy cocoa from farmers. So what I say, anything, Ghana buying, what encophobia one more to me. Say, emreso na se cocoa can no echo chat ne cocoa. Sa cocoa can meme pesca, abreno akoto daba. Sana cocoa industry no cocoa board etie. Now, based on that, if the government at the end of the day say price in the world market ever for more, the only thing that you can do is you have to go and look for money somewhere or elsewhere and come and buy the cocoa. Maybe you wait for some time. When the world market increases, then you sell. That is what the MPP was doing. Anytime I hear pencil, a better dean. So because say cocoa, I got to cocoa power begu apaso. I hope ya be beer abra unya abanso meto. Now, me no kase dachi. Sika any events on my because import cover. Kwa me no kase dachi. Eswati. Abra ye free amare so. Wait. Abra ye free ye talk about here. Dachi. Not the gold of tons are na ye pegu dachi. Not 30 tons. And now me look and say, because when the party came and their only focus say, oh, yema exchange rate emra form, and no mudi omusa go di manya bia galam say gold omunya ye gold ya pa gold ati o ma ton ni nyina ma say aka 18 tons pe senka sa sikawe ho na sa tons no kwa sa sikanka ban betim ni sako boom no ko to koko no den abegu ho no nti say price in world market ko sura na bank to no anya nfa so But as I say, I'm on my way to America. That painkiller economic approach will never help this country. So what I say, and no problem. And no, that's it. Sabi, on the kind of off takers and the only things that man camera.